spray into our forehead and then blow dry it with cool air.
Yeah.
Hola people, hey, it's Wangeshi. So I am going to be trying to put on a wig today. So I'm getting like a real wig, but I don't know how to put it on. And I've been watching so many videos trying to figure it out. And then I remembered I have a wig. Melted hairline, ultra. I don't think you can see that real well. It doesn't matter. But I have a wig that I bought this time last year. But, you know, I was like, you know, I'm not about this lace life for real. And now today, I am. I'm ready for it. But hey, now it's not a waste of money because it's about to be my trial wig, okay? Okay. You know, this is not like a real life tutorial. This just might be a what to do, what not to do. As I figure it out. She's giving, you know, slight curl, a little wave here and there. Maybe a little side bang. Oh, there's an elastic band inside. This wig, you know, it's Miss Synthetica, is what I'm gonna call her. And we just gonna see what me and Miss Synthetica can pull together. Let's just see it on my head first. And see what that looks like. Yeah, Miss Synthetica does not need this elastic band. She's not very big head friendly. Oh. This is me, you know, with my lace front, okay? This might be as good as it's gonna get, because I don't know what the end result is gonna be like, but let's just take a moment to appreciate. Oh, it's supposed to be on this side. Thumbnail. All right, here is Miss Thing. I was gonna plug her first, but looking at the sides, it looks like she was pre-plugged at least a little bit. Not really dark, but I'm not about to bleach that, honey. No, that is beyond my capabilities, so that's not happening. But I think for practicing sake, I'm gonna plug a little bit and hope I don't mess up this lace. Alright y'all, I'm about to put Miss Synthetica on my head. We're gonna see how this turns out. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this hairstyle, but whatever. Y'all, I don't feel like the lace I don't feel like the lace is supposed to be this tight around my head already. Like, girl, did you already glue it on? Why is it so tight? I'm like, I know I have a big head, but dang. Mousse, right? Maybe not. Let me just use Miss Got to Be. I just feel like the hair should be put back. Yeah, we're gonna use mousse. I'm excited. So I'm using Nairobi Rapid Shine Foam lotion. I'm gonna put some on my head to like push it back or whatever, because you want to get the hairs out of the way so that you can like really make sure that you're just you know, putting this on, putting your Gatsby on the lace and not on the hair. So, with the Gatsby, we're just gonna spray this spray into our forehead and then blow dry it with cool air. Now we're on to the real fun part, trying to cut off the lace. Y'all don't laugh at me. So I didn't trust beauty supplies razors, so you know, decided to go with this. Looks sharper. So it's not quite an eyebrow razor. I really hope I don't cut myself, now that I think about it. This is so large. Oh my goodness. And there's my hairline, guys. If you practice enough, you too can have a hairline like this. If I just like turn my head a bit. Guys, you know what this feels like? It feels like an arts and crafts project on my head. It's like we're in first grade again. You know, that's what this wig movement is all about. It's just, you know, bringing out our inner child, our inner creative, you know, with these wigs, child, because it's truly a work of art to be able to do this well. He has done so much for me, and I cannot tell it all. I cannot tell it all. Why is this thing so big? It's not cutting for anything. Y'all, I'm done with this hair. I can't anymore. I did what I could do, and you know, luckily the hair comes out at front so it can hide all the flaws, all that lace, honey, that y'all don't need to see. We just go. I think I'm gonna keep it on for the day just because of how much work I put into it. Maybe I'll come back and tune back in when I look a little bit more dolled up. I feel like it'll fit more. I feel very news anchor-y. Tonight at 5, 3 women were killed after one huge fight. Stay tuned for more. This is what the hair is looking like, you know, from a distance. And you know, maybe if we're at a party, you know, you can't really tell. My camera trying to adapt. I don't need you to adapt, girl. Stop it. The hair is just not really like my look, you know, so there's that. I just like struggled so much with the lace. Wow, my lips, hey, my lips, cracky. Yeah, at the very least she got used as my little tutorial girl. I don't think I will wear her past this weekend, but you know, actually she looks better. Just sit back. You don't know like that. Okay, that's the end of the video, y'all. Thanks for watching me play with this hair for the last 2 hours and hopefully less than a 10-minute video. Bye. Ah! myself exposing myself.